So next disease is sickle cell anemia. So actually this is actually Mendelian disorder. So far we are finished. Color blindness is a Mendelian disorder, and hemophilia is a Mendelian disorder. Then sickle cell anemia, another one Mendelian disorder. Okay, the sickle cell anemia is actually autosomal linked recessive disease. The previous disease is sex linked disease due to the X chromosome linked disease, but this disease is autosomal linked. Autosomal linked means what? Normally human contain 46 chromosome. In 46, 44 chromosomes are autosomes. Remaining 2 chromosomes are sex chromosome. So disease are in the autosomes, and in the 44 chromosomes any one of the chromosome gene may affect it. So due to this the disease are expressed. So sex chromosome X and Y is normal. So remaining autosomes, any one of the autosomes the gene is affected. So due to this the disease is spread or from the progeny to the next progeny. Then the disease is autosomal linked recessive. Autosomal linked recessive means what? Autosomal disease but linked in the autosomal gene defect, and recessive means one generation is disease is expressed, in another one generation this disease is not expressed. So in all the generation, the parents, first generation, the second generation, all the generation the disease are expressed means that is autosomal dominant. Here one generation the disease is expressed, another one generation is disease is not expressed. So the disease is autosomal linked recessive disorder. You know the chromosome, human being 46 chromosome. In 46, 44 are autosomes. Remaining 2 chromosomes are sex chromosome, that is X and Y in male and X and X in the female. The next one, the disease affected means is the normal person. For example, we are all normal person without the sickle cell anemia means he has gene HbA, HbA. HbA is nothing but hemoglobin. Hemoglobin HbA means the person become normal. So no disease, the person become normal. The gene HbA, HbS means the carrier. The disease is not expressed, but the female become carrier, a male become carrier. And diseased means the gene genetic setup HbS, HbS. So the genes in a particular autosomes HbS, HbS gene mean that is diseased person. HbA, HbA means normal person. HbA, HbS means the diseased person. I give one examples also for the particular class. How the disease are spread from one generation to next generation. Normally hemoglobin is important for carrying oxygen and carrying carbon dioxide from heart to other parts of the body through the blood. So due to this defective in gene, the hemoglobin is modified, and particularly hemoglobin means heme plus globin. Heme iron part and globin protein. So iron and protein is important for the formation of hemoglobin. So you take iron related foods and protein related means food means your hemoglobin level is normal. Suppose you are take not a protein rich food and iron rich food means hemoglobin may be normally become low. So due to this anemia may occur. But in this disease, the sickle cell anemia, from the birth itself, the genes for producing the particular globin protein is affected. So due to this, the disease may occur, that is sickle cell anemia. I give another how the hemoglobin occurs, how the disease may occur with the use of simple cross. The first one, listen, this is actually DNA. DNA means you know adenine, thymine, cytosine, guanine. In 11th standard in biomolecular we studied adenine is paired with the thymine, cytosine is the paired with the guanine. So this is actually the total DNA present in autosomes and a particular chromosome. Here guanine paired with the cytosine, adenine paired with the thymine, and guanine paired with the cytosine. All the genes or the nitrogen bases or nucleotides are present in the DNA. During mRNA formation, the DNA to mRNA in the next lesson, molecular basis of inheritance lesson, we have studied how the mRNA formed. That the DNA to DNA means that is a replication process. DNA forms another one DNA, and DNA to mRNA means that is transcription. In next lesson, molecular basis, we deal one by one what is meant by transcription. So in simple logic, we learn first DNA, which contains some nitrogen bases. And during protein formation, the DNA produce RNA, that is mRNA, messenger RNA. We know mRNA three types. mRNA, rRNA, actually RNA is three types: mRNA, tRNA, rRNA, messenger RNA, transfer RNA, and ribosomal RNA. Three types of RNA are present. In this particular class, the DNA for producing the protein. Protein means what protein? That is globin protein. Globin here, globin is important for the hemoglobin formation. So the particular DNA contain the message for the globin protein. The globin protein are produced with the use of mRNA. mRNA take a message. Message means, for example, this is actually DNA 2 strand means one strand become non-coding strand, another strand become a coding strand. For non-coding strand only is code for the protein in opposite manner. So normally we know coding strand only is coding for the protein. No, here is opposite. Non-coding strand only it's code for the mRNA. From the non-coding strand we copied into mRNA. Suppose guanine means cytosine, adenine means and thymine, or maybe adenine, and guanine means cytosine. Okay, for example, this is non-coding strand. Imagine the second one is non-coding strand. But cytosine means it is converted into guanine and other things are produced. So from the DNA, mRNA are produced. In the transcription translation process, in the next chapter we will deal one by one. Here simply listen. Yes, the DNA to mRNA are formed. mRNA means CAG are produced. CAG means actually producing the glutamic acid. This is nothing but this is amino acids. For example, valine. VAL means valine amino acids. Normally we know protein is a collection of amino acids. Here the DNA wants to produce globin protein. So globin protein means we need a collection of set of amino acids. So first amino acid in the globin protein is valine. And the second amino acid is histidine. HIN means histidine, and LEU means leucine, and the third amino acid, and the threonine. THR means threonine, and PRO means proline, the amino acid, fifth amino acid, and sixth amino acid is glutamic acid, and the seventh amino acid also glutamic acid. Normally in a globin protein, more amino acids are present. We know the protein means it's a collection of amino acids. The sixth amino acid is actually glutamic acid, is actually amino acid for making the globin protein. Here is actually this case is normal person. Normal mRNA are produced. In the sixth carbon, glutamic acid, amino acid are produced. In normal, this is normal. But in what? Sickle cell anemic person, the particular sixth protein, for example, listen, GAG, CTC, guanine, cytosine, adenine, thymine, guanine, cytosine. But here the guanine, cytosine is common. Adenine, thymine, due to mutation, inversion, adenine, thymine is converted into thymine, adenine. Then guanine, cytosine also same. So normally all the DNA base pairs are same, but in a diseased person, that is sickle cell anemic person, the one base pair with adenine thymine, instead of adenine thymine, thymine adenine are changed. Normally the person which contain adenine and thymine, but instead of adenine and thymine, the DNA, the base pairs is changed into thymine adenine, only single base pair mutation. Normally in mutation we studied in the last sections. Mutation means sudden changes in the DNA, sudden changes in the chromosome, sudden changes in the gene. Due to this mutation, normal person which contain adenine and thymine, but in the sickle cell anemic person, instead of adenine and thymine, thiamine and adenines are formed. So due to this modification of DNA, the mRNA also is modified, because from the DNA only, due to transcription process, mRNA are produced. So in mRNA, GUG are modified. In normal person, CAC is produced. It represents the glutamic acid. But in modified person, that is genetically affected person, the genes are modified person, the mRNA is GUG. GUG means it's produced valine, not glutamic acid. The first amino acid is same, valine. The second amino acid is also same, histidine. And the third amino acid, leucine also same, 309, THR, 309 also same. And fifth amino acid, proline also same. But in the sixth amino acid, instead of glutamic acid, the diseased person, due to this gene changes, due to mutation, instead of glutamic acid, valine are produced in the sixth carbon in the globin chain, sixth carbon in the beta globin chain. Instead of glutamic acid, a valine amino acid are produced. Seventh amino acid also normal. Here in normal person, glutamic acid. Here also normally is glutamic acid. So only due to sixth beta globin chain, sixth amino acid is normally glutamic acid in a normal person. In the beta globin chain of a normal hemoglobin. But in diseased person and the sickle cell anemic person, in sixth amino acid instead of glutamic acid, the valine are produced. Okay, so instead of glutamic acid, the valines are produced. So due to this, only one amino acid change, one base pair change due to mutation in the DNA. Due to this base pair change, mRNA also modified. Due to this modification of mRNA, only one amino acid in the beta globin protein may changed. So due to this changes in the amino acid, the globin structure under low oxygen tension. Normally hemoglobin, what is the use of hemoglobin? Hemoglobin present in our blood, which gives pink color or the red color to the blood and carries oxygen to all the parts of the body and carries carbon dioxide also. Due to this modification, the hemoglobin under low oxygen tension is modified into various shapes. Due to this modification, normal RBC means we have RBC, millions of RBC, approximately 5 to 6 millions RBC per cubic milliliter of blood. Normal RBC shape is actually biconcave shape, like Alphenliebe chocolate, like a biconcave shape. But due to this modification, the particular RBC is changed to sickle shaped RBC. Sickle means like used for harvesting the rice paddy, that is sickle, that is sickle shaped RBC are changed. So normal RBC shape, a biconcave shape. Due to this gene modification, due to only one amino acid, that is instead of glutamic acid, the diseased person, valine is produced. Due to this valine, one amino acid change. Due to this, normal RBC is changed into sickle shaped RBC. So due to these changes, RBC is not carries the oxygen properly, so person become anemic and not contain enough oxygen for the respiration. Okay. So only the disease is sickle cell anemia. Due to this sickle shaped RBC, the person become anemic. Sometimes it's RBC which blocks the blood vessels and even cause death also, blockage of blood vessels. Okay, that is sickle cell anemia. It is actually autosomal linked recessive disease. It is the gene setup of normal HbA means normal, even HbS means diseased. Substitution of glutamic acid by valine. Normally glutamic acid are only present in the normal human being, but instead of glutamic acid in the sixth beta globin chain and the particular protein, sixth amino acid, due to glutamic acid, valine are formed in the sixth position of the beta globin chain. Okay, beta globin chain is nothing but globin, a protein present in the hemoglobin. Due to this changes, the normal RBC is converted into sickle shaped RBC. So due to this, the sickle cell anemia occurs, even cause death also. Okay, you know the hemoglobin usage. What is the use of hemoglobin? Hemoglobin is a carrier for oxygen and carbon dioxide. Hemoglobin present in the RBC, and heme plus globin. A globin, due to this globin, beta globin protein chain, due to this valine are modified. Due to this, the disease are expressed. Okay, this is actually one of the Mendelian disorder. One of the Mendelian disorder. Okay, so far we have completed color blindness is a Mendelian disorder, sickle cell anemia is a Mendelian disorder, and hemophilia also Mendelian disorder. Okay, the next class, the next disease.